right, so this is Paul, and Leonardo's going to share a tip that I've heard of before, is why are these branches at the base the best? So tell us why.
I observed that the best cuttings you can get, or plants you can get, are from the bottom. I believe the reason is the nutrients and the water and are below here, and they get the vine here, the cuttings here will get before going up. And they tend to be longer and stronger.
They're the first ones to eat.
And then they are healthy, and the skin are more smooth.
Yeah, because a lot of people online say, "Oh, when you get branches forming at the base, you pluck them off."
You're saying no. I was doing that, but if you get this, they root faster, they grow faster, and they fruit faster.
That makes total sense. I think that's brilliant.
no one bring that up in there's no article about that.
No,
but I noticed that. I think that's why my robles are like that, because I get it from the base.
So so
that's the one reason why they're wider and thicker.
Those big thick robles branches over there are all just
from the bottom.
Okay.
From the bottom.
So for now, you just let them go, and those are your favorite cuttings.
All right.
What time of year do you like to pull the cuttings?
This month.
Okay, so you think like over here, are these too young?
Will be, those are too young. When they're too young like that, don't rush them.
Yeah, so what I hear is you want to wait until there's that kind of that callus over here at the base.
A little bit, and then this one, half of it is darker green than the top one. You can do that.
So wait until they're darker green on the bottom half.
Yeah, even half.
So you would give these another month or two, you said?
Yeah, but 1 month, those are really, and those are the best one.
That makes sense.
So I did not see any article about that, because I read a lot of about dragon fruit. No one mentioned that.
Yeah, I've never heard of that either.
I think that makes total sense, though.
Because they're wasting it. A lot of people wasting it. They keep cutting. I was doing that before over here, and I told my wife, my son, that we're wasting it. And then those are the strongest plants.
Yeah. So that's a great tip.
So I'm very confident. Those are the best plants you can get from the bottom or below.
That's a good tip.
Yeah, thank you for sharing that.
And when you cut your cuttings here, then you're wasting, because those are the ones that give you fruits usually on top. These are too much. If they're small like this, definitely you have to remove this.
So remove those really small 2-incher cuttings.
And then you don't see a lot of fruits if you just leave them alone here like that. So again, I noticed also that, like condor, you observe it, right? The other condor there, they're shorter branches.
Different size branches.
But the fruits are almost the same.
Almost the same.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
And then I have another plant. I have to remember what part of Orange County I got that, and the guy was telling me that they're condor, and he was selling a short of this for $5, and I said, why you're not selling the bigger branches? And he said that you're just buying for DNA anyway, and these are real condor, and I have the 2 plants there. Look different also.
And they're different. So do you think they are actual condor, or did the guy just give you something different?
I'm not sure, because my friend told me this is the real condor here.
Yeah. And I don't really know what the real condor is. The one I have is a slow grower. That's all I know. And I got mine from 2 places, 2 sources, and both grow slow.
Those are the slow grower. Are they longer vine or?
Yeah, they're longer vines, not too thick, but really slow growing.